Long ago, in a land surrounded by mountains and forests, there was a small village named Lavatown. The villagers lived peacefully, farming and tending to their animals. Little did they know, deep beneath their feet, a giant was stirring. Deep within the Earth's mantle, molten rock called magma was slowly rising. This magma collected in a magma chamber, a large pool of molten rock beneath the Earth's crust. One night, the ground began to tremble. The villagers of Lavatown woke up in fear as the earth beneath them shook. This was the beginning of Mount Ignis's awakening. Magma started forcing its way up through cracks in the Earth's crust, creating a pathway called a vent. As it reached the surface, the pressure caused a massive explosion, and Mount Ignis was born. Mount Ignis erupted with fury, spewing lava, ash, and gases into the sky. The villagers watched in awe and terror as molten lava flowed down the sides of the volcano, creating rivers of fire. Ash clouds darkened the sky, and the air was filled with the smell of sulfur. After several days, the eruption ceased. Mount Ignis stood tall and silent, a towering giant in the landscape. The once lush forests were covered in ash, and the rivers of fire had hardened into black rock. The villagers had to rebuild their homes and lives, but they also learned to respect and understand the power of Mount Ignis. Over time, scientists came to study Mount Ignis. They explained to the villagers how volcanoes form and erupt. They taught them about different types of volcanoes, like shield volcanoes with gentle slopes and stratovolcanoes with steep sides, just like Mount Ignis. They also explained the importance of monitoring volcanic activity. By using seismographs to detect earthquakes and sensors to measure gas emissions, scientists could predict future eruptions and help keep the villagers safe. Years passed, and life returned to the land around Mount Ignis. The volcanic soil, rich in minerals, helped plants grow back stronger and more vibrant than before. The villagers of Lavatown learned to live in harmony with the giant in their midst, always mindful of its power and the lessons it had taught them.